There are many examples of people who prosper in their careers and gains immense wealth despite their beginnings in abject poverty. This happens when Mahalakshmi Yoga is in your favor. Mahalakshmi Yoga in the horoscope chart ensures that the native will be wealthy and prosperous as compared to someone who does not have the powerful yoga in their kundli. Mahalakshmi Yoga in astrology. The name Mahalakshmi comes from Maha, which means great, and Lakshmi refers to the goddess of money. You will never face money problems if Mahalakshmi Yoga occurs in your Kundli. Funds will emerge miraculously whenever you need them. Indeed, this is a powerful yoga and many people crave it, but not everyone is not lucky enough to have it in their birth chart. How is Mahalakshmi Yoga formed? This yoga is formed by the conjunction of Moon and Mars. It is the combination of these two planets that brings wealth to the native. Both these planets accommodate the formation of this yoga only if they have the required strength and hold the favorable position in the birth chart. For this to become possible, both should reside in the correct houses and at the correct angle. These planets should sit in the upper state in houses other than the 3rd, 6th, 8th, and 12th. Mahalakshmi Yoga is formed in your Kundli if these conditions prevail. Significance of Mahalakshmi Yoga. Mahalakshmi Yoga is important from an astrological point of view as it brings wealth and fame to the native. It is an auspicious yoga in astrology that helps your business to flourish and blesses you with the riches of life. This yoga enables you to live life to the fullest. It provides a steady flow of income and you will always enjoy all the luxuries of life no matter what. Effects of Mahalakshmi Yoga. Mahalakshmi Yoga is a very influential yoga which plays a major role in your life and comes to a few fortunate only. With this yoga in your kundli, you can achieve a tremendous amount of wealth. Some of the effects of this yoga are: you will surely gain a large amount of money and wealth with Mahalakshmi Yoga in your kundli. This yoga ensures that you never face poverty in your life. Mahalakshmi Yoga helps you to enjoy all the luxuries and riches to the fullest. This yoga aids you in fulfilling your dreams and aspirations in this timeline. Mahalakshmi Yoga makes you naturally attractive and charming, and people fall in love with your personality. This is a very propitious yoga. It blesses you with God's grace and fills your home with prosperity and joy. There are numerous other effects of Mahalakshmi Yoga.